So hey guys, I want to quickly make a short video. I just hope it gets really little short on this particular trade I took this morning. Two trade actually on AUD USD and Euro USD. So I want to quickly just make a short video on it to explain. Oh, my baby's crying. I want to quickly make a short video of it. So now this is how it's going to look like. Okay. Uh, so this morning I woke up and I was looking for a setup. And so first of all, what I observed in LUSD, I saw we're having this what a sell move, a bearish move, which eventually started retracing upward. So this is the area I targeted, this particular zone here. That was where I targeted because that was where the happening. That was where price was, and I trade price action and I look forward to what price is doing at that particular moment. Not you get. I don't take my time to. I don't. I'm not like I don't predict that okay it's going to drop here and that's where I'll be looking forward to. I just wait for the action to happen and then I follow what price is doing. So literally what I did was I started from 15 minutes actually. So basically as you can see you can actually see a trend here that I drew here, this trend. So normally, price came touch this trend, and you can see it touches the second time. So normally we'll be looking out for it coming to test the same trend, and because it broke out from this area here, so we're expecting to come test this area and then zoom up. But because we just have to follow what price does, like it might not want to do that. You get so I actually waited for to actually go to the 5 minutes so I can actually follow the price right at the beginning. The essence of going to even the smaller time frame is to be able to know exactly when the move is about to happen, to go with it. You get to move with it. Normally let's say 1 hour now, assuming let's say I'm using the 1 hour time frame only, I would have said okay, let me just keep waiting for it to either drop here or maybe get to this little bit of support here, or sorry, resistance here, or this resistance here as well, before I start looking out for probably a sell, or probably you get a continuation for a buy, you get something like that. I will just say let me just wait over here. But because of the smaller time frame, you can be able to jump in on even the smallest move. So now this is what I look out for. We can actually see price ranging over here. So I was watching out for this range, so I drew a resistance trend here, and I drew a support trend as well. I drew a support trend as well. You can literally see it here. So when I woke up, when I started this whole the analysis, price was here. You get price was I think no, it was around here. The price was around here, which was around like 6 a.m. this morning. It was around this zone here. So I saw this huge big candlestick push. So it gave me you get this whole idea that we might see it push up. You get because of this huge big candlestick. Then I took a buy, which I was not supposed to. I was supposed to wait out for this breakout here because you can literally see it range. It has been ranging here. I was supposed to wait for the breakout, but I just took the buy because of I saw this huge, massive push. So I'm like, okay, for it to have this big, huge candle, there's high tendency that it might actually go up, which I should have just waited for the breakout. But still, I took it. I took the buy and I was waiting, so it went all the way down, still ranging until it eventually pull out from this range that I drew here, this resistance and support zone here I drew here, pull out from it and automatically getting back into this support trend line that I drew here as well. You can actually see it breaks out and entered into the support trend line. So I actually had to enter more enter more position at this zone here because now it's inside my support trend line. So I know for sure it's still if I should draw this other one, then I know for sure it's going to want to meet the other resistant trend line you get. So I know for sure it's going to want to go there. Um, so I actually took more position, and that's how it started flying. And I closed at this yellow spot here. I closed at this yellow spot here, and I'm out of the trade as we speak. So this is for the um Euro USD. If you so I'm just trying to show you that how I get into the trade. So basically, what I did, using the whole thing everybody sees online and all those things, I use what I call breakout. You can see there's a ranging market here, breakout of structure, BOX as most people call it, or just breakout of a ranging market. You can see it range here all through this morning. It has been ranging till it eventually breaks out and gets. Then I bought here. But although I took a first trade here before it even, because of this big huge candlestick, I was having the feelings that okay, it might go up, but I was still okay. If it should break down below, I'll you get accept my small loss. You get, so I was still okay in accepting the small loss. You get. So um so first of all, we can see the breakout, and it fall into our trend again. You get inside of our trend, or rather you can call it channel, and then we zoom and we bought. You get, so or majorly it's what a breakout of what a range. So there are so many breakouts you can actually see, and we can still jump on at any given time. So I'm going to post talk about the wow, it's still shooting up. You can literally see it still shooting really nice up to the sky, and it's still really shooting nice up to the sky, still shooting nice up to the sky. I knew another thing. I knew it was going to come here, because you see this close of the day or close of the week on Friday. You see this gap that happened on Monday to Friday, on Monday morning and all over here. You see this gap that happened. I know it will want to come fill it up. So, but because of this range here, so I was expecting it to maybe do a little range here as well. So that's why I just closed it here. I was expecting to still maybe come down a little before eventually going up. So I just decided to close here and at least take my profit first. You get, so that's for that. So let me go to the AUD USD. What I took on the AUD USD. Okay, no need for that. No need for that. Okay. Oh, I'm using this thing instead of here. Let's see. Why is this thing coming up now? Okay. Wow, it's still shooting really beautiful, but well, I think we'll call it off there.